How to add employee on Office. Go to Task Flyer Dashboard. Tap to Employee. Enter first name. Enter last name. Enter email address. Input date of birth. Enter phone number. Enter gender. Enter date of joining. Enter designation. Enter department. Select experience level. Select branch. Enter password. Enter confirm password. Select employee type. Tap to submit. For in-office employees, go to mobile app. Click on HRMS. The punch-in option will only be visible when the employee is in 50 meters of radius from office. Tap to punch out. Thank you.